2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun song by Blind Melon, No Rain. Cool, so this is a simple song. We don't have any bar chords and stuff like that. Pretty straightforward, fun, great songwriting. Alright, let's go. So the song is in E, standard tuning. 1, 2, 3. D major. 1, 2, 3. So that's the main verses. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can get a slap in there. So down, up, slap. Break it down, E major to D. Now we have A major. 1, 2, 3. I grab a single G note here. And G, open E. G, open E, or go to the E chord there. Let's do that again. And also if you can get an E sus in there. Pinky on second fret G when you're holding the E major. Okay, chorus from the top. Two, three, one. See that slap? Feels good. Feels right. Chorus. background E. You hear it? Cool, so that's all the parts. And the very top of the song, the beginning, they get... you just go on E major, that melody is on the B string, 5th fret, to 10, 12, back to 5. You can play open E string when you do that. So the notes are E, A, B, E. It's only 2 times. Come on. Cool, that's the whole song. What a great composition. Alright, so let's go over everything before we end the lesson. Intro. Just strum E 2 times. And if you want to play that melody, if you're 2 guitar players. And then they start with the chorus. E to D, 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 A major. If you can't grab that, it's fine just to go back to E. And then verses. E, D, Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Be safe.